Guys, I'm Jada Simone and it's time to vlog and it's time, wait, I totally messed that up. Okay,
Keep it in there.
I guess I'll keep it in there. Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogtober. It's Vlogtober day 7. So yeah, I was trying to do 7, but okay. Anyway, that was there. We're at lunch club right now. This is going on, guys. Alright guys, this is my Alfredo and then I'm drinking water. Guys, so currently right now it is 3:24. School it's been over, but I just finished doing homework. Also, I know I look rough. I'm about to do the laundry and then I'm going to edit. So guys, for dinner we're having turkey burgers, rice with ranch on it, and I'm drinking water. Alright guys, so it is 8:11 right now. So, as you can tell, I'm out of breath. I literally just worked out. Now I'm about to watch YouTube and then study, and then at 9 Black Lightning comes on. I'm so excited. So, with that being said, I'm ending the vlog here. Like, comment, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for Vlogtober day 8. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Asta Pasta.